37 passports.
Alright guys, so medyo mahirap tayong
It's tough for you to decide.
Yeah, it's a little bit tough.
I'm actually gonna make you decide, but then since all of them great
All of them
answers, yeah.
Great answer. So paano ba? Can I just choose all of them?
Can you, let's see, I don't think the girls are gonna be okay with dating all three women at the same time, so probably not.
Alright, sige. Wait, ano pang price pag nanalo?
Oh, they get a package, an amazing gift package from Swish, and of course they get a picture with you.
Oh, okay.
Which is just as kick-ass and as amazing.
Okay.
So that's what the girls, and of course, pride and bragging rights. There you
Okay.
go. So that's what the girls are getting.
Oh, sige guys. So sino ba? Sino ba sa tingin yung nanalo guys? Is it Amy? Saan natin sa palakpakan. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Energy is just so high.
That's so high. I think I'm
Kaya
drowning.
niyan guys, kaya niyan.
I'm drowning a little bit because it's so high.
Alright, how about Daisy? Uy! Kasama ka ni
She
Daisy,
has
no?
a bit of a fan base here
Yes.
at SM Makati Beauty section.
And si Rocky! Uy!
We like Rocky.
Yeah,
Tell
we
me,
like
right?
Rocky.
The name that
Alam mo-
the guy that you created with.
Para sa akin, lahat sila panalo. Okay? Lahat na lang sila panalo, guys. This is Take It That Way, okay? Congratulations, tanggalin niyo na yung blindfold niyo.
Okay, so,
Sorry.
so you have to stand like right in the middle of all
Dito
three,
na
so
lang,
they,
yeah, I'll be-
so they see you first thing, right?
Alright. So, tatlo na yung prizes natin. Okay lang bang ano? Kasali ba dito ang kiss?
Of course! But I trust you're ready for that because you have something in your pocket that makes you ready for
Ayan
that.
guys,
No?
advice lang guys, advice, tips. Kung bibigyan nyo ng sweet kiss ang inyong mga loved ones, gamitin nyo po ang Swish Breath Spray. Yes. Pwede rin ang mouthwash, but Swish Breath Spray, mabilis lang po ito. Masarap ha?
Yeah?
It really
I
makes
actually
you-
have mine. I want to
Yeah.
try mine also.
It
Yeah, also
really
have.
makes you feel really fresh and comfortable.
Instantly.
Yeah. And with that confidence daw, pwede mo makingin ng kiss, okay lang? Sabi niya, maging mo ng kiss, beso. Mwah. Pakis naman. Mwah. Rocky, Max, Rocky. Mwah. Alright.
Yeah. So now, see, it's really, really very important not to have a fresh breath. See, you just got 3 kisses from 3 different girls all at the same time. Maybe that's just because you have fresh breath. So, what do you think about that?
Yes, guys. Like what I told you guys kanina, di ba? You guys always have to use Swish Breath Spray para nakukuha niyo yung confidence. Di ba? Mahirap naman tayong kakaroon ng pumunta tayo sa isang like date or isang restaurant and you guys aren't. Di ba yung breath niyo parang medyo hindi kayo komportable, parang gumagano-gano kayo. So it's always good to be always fresh and always on. Siyempre, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, bibigyan kayo ng confidence first of all, di ba? And siyempre, meron kami
Third floor, Leslie, and fire station.
Ayan, may nawawalang bata.
Usually, we have to get a little bit worried when there's an announcement.
Yeah, but we have 6 different mouthwash of Swish. Meron po kaming Arctic Chill. Oops, let me just read it. Arctic Chill, Peppermint Fresh, Cinnamon Blast, Mangosteen Mint, Icy Chocolate, and Multi-Benefit Expert Care Mouthwash. Yun yung mga malalaki na nakikita nyo. Meron tayong iba't ibang colors. Yun. Alright, so I suggest everyone gamitin niyo po ang
Oh, here we
Swish
go.
mouthwash. Yes. Ayan, ito po siya.
Amazing products with us. You're right, malaki talaga. She has to go to the bathroom to do.
Yeah. Well, it can fit in your purse if you have a really big purse.
It
No?
goes down, yeah.
And there's also a yellow one.
Here we go.
Yeah.
the yellow.
It's called the honey.
And of course,
It's called the honey lemon mint. Ayan, honey lemon mint.
we
Ayun.
have this icy chocolate. And of course, a couple of other variants
What's your
there.
favorite? What's your favorite flavor?
You know what? My favorite actually is the newest one that we have here. The new mouthwash product of Swish, which is the Multi-Benefit Expert Care Mouthwash. And
Oh
this
yeah, that's a big one. That's the yung malaking
Yeah.
sinasabi namin sa inyo. Medyo mahaba yung name niya.
it's the yes.
Maybe
Because it has so many
it
benefits.
means it's long lasting. Baka
Yeah.
dun binasi. Yung mahaba.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Multi-benefit
Multi.
expert care.
Tawag nga na multi-benefit expert care mouthwash ko.
Yes,
You know?
exactly. Just because it has 6 benefits, and let me just share that to you guys. It
Yeah.
kills bad breath causing bacteria. It prevents plaque buildup. It also maintains healthy gums and prevents gum disease. It fights cavities, protects tooth enamel, and it also strengthens the teeth.
That's six benefits in one rinse. Diba? My favorite is the peppermint.
Yeah.
The peppermint
So one
spray.
to have you with you, same flavor, right? In the color that we're both wearing
It's called
also.
Peppermint Fresh. Yun. Peppermint Fresh. Kasi this is what I use commercial, and I always use this at taping. Whenever I go out, talaga, this is my personal favorite. Yeah. So I suggest you guys try all the different flavors. Yes. Whoops.
Alright, so I'm curious, Ian, because I know that you're always on the go. You're always so busy. You always have taping, shoots, you travel, of course. You have like outdoor activities. You probably go to the gym, and of course, you probably go on dates too, right?
Yes. I do all that. Yeah, so yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo, a little bit more kwentuhan lang kanina na sinabi ko sa inyo. You guys always, di ba pag lumalabas kayo, you want to feel confident, you want to feel good about yourself, di ba? Di ba? Yes na yes, di ba?
Yes,
Siyempre yun nga, meron tayong mga moments na may kausap tayong kaibigan, tapos minsan, parang hindi ka makapagsalita, hindi mo masabi yung gusto mo sabihin, dahil parang nako-conscious ka. This is the perfect one for you, the Swish Breath Spray, di ba? Because with only 10 seconds, it kills the bacteria. It doesn't just